Hello everyone, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. We are ready to present you a ready-made Loden sweater with a tail cut. We have modeled this cozy sweater on our channel. To make the product more stylish, we made decorative stitching on the neckline, darts, side and center seams as well as the armholes. Two colors of the Loden from which the sweater is sewn add originality to it. The raw fabric cuts make the sweater look modern. In addition to all of that, it is also very warm and comfortable. Loden is generally one of the best fabrics for making warm clothes, and sweater is no exception. We have many colors of Loden fabric. If you don't know, I don't like long sleeves, so I wrapped it like this, but in general they can be long. See how the sweater looks from the back? Lovely two colors. I want to give you one advice. When buying things in stores, do not buy clothes when you do not understand the fabric. This is my favorite pants. Shoes don't fit here, but I don't have shoes at work that fit this sweater. I feel really comfortable even with my hands in my pockets. This is really my favorite pants. Sweater on the table. There is nothing special actually about it. From the inside it looks like this. That's it for today's small review. Be different and beautiful, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform, Global Fashion Workshop, the link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye!